Fourthwall versus Patreon. Which creator platform is better? Choosing the right platform can transform how you monetize your work without complicated setups. Both Fourthwall and Patreon offer unique tools for creators seeking support and growth. Fourthwall and Patreon both help creators earn income directly from fans, but their core difference lies in customization and commerce features. Patreon focuses on membership subscriptions, while Fourthwall combines memberships with built-in e-commerce for physical and digital products. Fourthwall is a creator platform designed to integrate memberships with online stores, making it easy to sell merchandise, digital downloads, and experiences alongside subscriptions. It works by providing creators a customizable storefront and subscription tiers, all managed in one place. Strengths include seamless commerce tools, direct fan engagement, and no need for third-party integrations. Fourthwall also handles fulfillment and payments smoothly, reducing administrative overhead. However, it may have fewer community-building features compared to Patreon and focuses more on sales than social interaction. The ideal user is a creator looking to combine fan subscriptions with merchandise sales and physical product shipping, such as musicians, podcasters, or artists wanting a unified platform for both revenue streams. Patreon is a widely used membership platform that allows creators to offer exclusive content and perks to subscribers. It operates by enabling creators to set up membership tiers with different benefits, such as early access, behind-the-scenes content, or community interaction. Patreon's strengths lie in its large user base, strong community features, and integrations with other tools. It supports various content formats and encourages fan engagement through messaging and polls. However, Patreon does not natively support merchandise sales or physical product shipping, often requiring external platforms for commerce. Its fee structure can also be higher depending on the plan. Patreon is ideal for creators focused primarily on content subscription and building a loyal community without the need to manage product sales directly. When comparing Fourthwall and Patreon, the choice depends on your revenue focus. Fourthwall excels for creators who want to combine subscriptions with direct merchandise sales in one platform, simplifying operations and boosting income through physical and digital products. Patreon shines for creators prioritizing community engagement and exclusive content delivery, backed by a large audience and flexible membership options. The trade-off is between Fourthwall's commerce-centric approach and Patreon's community-first model. For example, a musician selling albums and merch alongside fan clubs benefits from Fourthwall's integrated store, while a podcaster offering bonus episodes and fan chats might prefer Patreon's robust membership tools. Both charge fees, but Fourthwall's all-in-one system can reduce additional costs from external services. Choose Fourthwall if you want a streamlined platform that unites subscriptions with merchandise sales, perfect for creators selling products alongside memberships. Patreon is the better choice for creators focused on building a vibrant membership community without the need for direct product sales. Its strong engagement features and broad audience support make it ideal for content-driven creators seeking steady subscription income.